Hello everyone, myself Momin Muhammad Qais, and today we will talk about blood grouping. So basically there are four types of blood grouping that are A, B, O and AB. When we talk about antigens and antibodies present on the blood groups, in A blood group there is a presence of A antigen on RBC. Then in B blood group there is a presence of B antigen. Then in O blood group there are no antigens present on RBC. Then in AB blood group there is a presence of both A and B antigens. When we talk about antibodies, it is vice versa. In on A blood group there is a presence of A antigen but B antibodies. On B blood group it is a presence of B antigen but A antibodies. On O blood group there is a presence of both A and B antibodies where no antigen are present. On AB blood group, AB antigen but no antibodies. When we talk about location of antigen and antibodies are present in plasma, whereas antigens are present on the cell surface. So this is all about antigen and antibodies. So basically blood groups are of four types, that are AB, A, B and O, and it is also one that is positive and negative, RH positive and RH negative. When a blood group is positive, which means it is blood group contain D protein. If there is a presence of D protein, then that blood group will be positive. For example, we take A positive blood group, which means it contain A antigen, B antibodies and D protein. When we talk about A negative blood group, which means A antigen, B antibodies and absence of D antigen. This is all about blood grouping. So next is biochemistry of ABO antigens. When we talk about the simple precursor, which is made up of sugar, is present on the cell wall of RBC, which is made up of four sugars, that are fructose, galactose, N-acetyl galactosamine and N-acetyl glucosamine. Uh, this precursor attach by L-fructose transferase. In O blood grouping, there is precursor is attached to L-fructose, which means L-fructose is an additional sugar to the precursor. Then in B blood group, there is a addition in precursor of fructose and galactose. Then in A blood group, there is a addition in precursor of fructose and N-acetyl galactosamine. Then in AB, there is addition of all three, that is precursor plus fructose, N-acetyl galactosamine and acetyl glucosamine. Then when we talk about the donor and receptor of blood group, O negative is the universal donor, whereas AB negative is the universal acceptor. So when we talk about A positive, it can donate to A positive and AB positive and receives only from A and O. Then O positive can donate to O positive, AB, A, etc. and receives only from O positive and O negative. Then P positive can donate to B positive and AB positive and receives from B and O, where AB positive is a universal donor. A positive can only donate to AB positive but receives from everyone, which means it is a universal acceptor. Then A negative can donate to A positive and AB positive, B A negative and AB negative, but only receive from A negative and O negative. Then O negative is a universal donor, it can donate to everyone but only receives from O negative only. Then B negative can donate to B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative and receives from AB negative and O negative. Then last one is AB negative. It can donate only to AB positive, AB negative but receives from A negative, all negatives group, that are O negative, A negative, B negative and AB negative. This is all about blood grouping. Thank you.